light's gonna make you shine, and the fire's gonna make you burn, and the money's gonna make them lie.
What is up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam back with yet another video for your viewing pleasures. Today, here on the Kickfam channel, we're going to do something a little bit different. Let me know how you like this video. Hit that thumbs up if you like the way I'm doing this review. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Drop comments down below as well. And sit back, watch the video. Let me know if this is a good way of doing reviews from now on. So sit back. Like I said, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Drop comments below. Let me know, and I'll keep doing it for you like this. Or I can go the traditional way, where you actually see my pretty face more often. This review is going to be on none other than the Yeezy 350 V2 Sesames, which was actually a crazy cop for me because they came out on Black Friday, but I did not get them until the following Friday. So these actually sat on the shelves at the store that I shop at the most, which is Kicks USA, for a week before I got there and got them. So sit back, watch the review. Hello, this is Dave with Kickfam, and this is our review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 352 V2 Sesame. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sesame is covered in a light grayish khaki colorway across its updated prime nip upper with matching pull tabs and laces. The finish and details include Boost cushioning from front to back, the signature slightly translucent ribbed midsole, and it is followed by a gum accent on the outsole to top it all off. The Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sesame was released on Black Friday and is currently sold out at all major sneaker stores across the country. You can currently find it on resale applications such as GOAT and StockX. The current pricing on StockX as of today is between $249 for a size 4 all the way up to $700 for a size 17. Thank you for watching, and remember, this is Dave with Kickfam.
And until the next one, have a great night, day, or whenever you're watching. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe or drop comments down below. And again, thank you for watching.
Look at Filthy being bag on me in the Mazda. Man, I spent summer 15 straight robbing. Man, I spent summer 16 in the Audi. Next summer, oh man, they gon' try to down me. Roll up out of bed looking like I had a dice game. I was booked, cocaine died, then the ice came. Homie said his kill game ain't worried about your fight game. And then I put more focus on this music and my life changed. Well, the light's gonna make you shine, and the fire's gonna make you burn, and the money's gonna make them lie. And falling's the only way you learn. But the only place from here is up. Get ready, here we come, yeah. The only place from here is up, yeah. Get ready, here we come. The four-seater with four in the floor and a four-seater. On my way back from Florida, four-feature. Was ducking the Ford, swerving the foreign, got more features. I'm touring the world, but I can control some war creatures. It's 4 keys, I was caught in my boy's Jeep. I got knocked with a quarter piece, not a 7 1/4 key. When you think of this game, I should be what you think of. I got grabbed and held water like pouring spring jugs. Don't let the love for money get confused with what you think's love. My homie said he's scared I'm going wind up like Chink's drugs. I told him God willing all of us win, but it's